in the village of Kumarkhand of Pisule village panchayat area. So I am standing in front of two huge boulders, and these two huge boulders are known as Mama and Bhaso. So maternal uncle in Goan culture occupies lot of importance, and emotional attachment is there with the maternal uncle. So during the childhood, child prefer to enjoy the company of mama, and here in the village of Kumarkhand, people believe the big stone as a mama, whereas a smaller stone is bhaso. So they consider the bigger stone as mama, and a relation has been established. So nearby Jalmyacho Guno is there, and these two stones are considered as Mama Bhachacho Guno. So this cluster of three stones gain cultural importance and sociological importance, as well as during the Portuguese era, these stones were used by the valiant fighter Dipaji Rane and his supporter to take refuge. So they used to sit on the top of the stone and protect themselves. So any attempt was made to arrest them or imprison them, they were using their guns and other small stones to throw them on them and to protect themselves. So this area is very important, and it also tells us about the geological heritage of this area. So this Kumarkhand village is encircled by the mining activities one side, and another side industrial area is there. So in spite of this, this area gained importance, and people did not take any developmental activity except the horticultural plantation of the Keju, and they protected whatever trees which are there, as if all these are the elements of sacred in the area. So you can see different types of the deciduous trees are there, and these trees not only offer the cool shade to this area, but create such type of the ambience that attract in the morning twittering birds, different types of the animal like porcupines, wild boars, and the deer. So this area became a refuge for the wild animal, and during the historical period it was offering shelter to the mutineer. So whole area was attraction, and even today people consider this area as important. There is need to protect this area as the natural heritage site under biodiversity management committee. So in Goa and in India we have the laws which protect such area as a natural heritage sites. So the first site already identified by Goa government in Sulla of Bicholim, wherein a sacred grove has been identified as a natural heritage site. So now if such geological sites are identified, that will going to add honor to Sattari Taluka, and this area is very nearby. Actually there is no need of developing a pathway or a road. If we protect the area naturally with the forest cover, that will going to add glory to this area. So there is need to understand the ecology, cultural significance of this area. There are folk stories, folk belief among the locals of Kumarkhand who associate this stone to the different stories. So let us protect this heritage and make our Sattari great.